Hello. Please unmute your mic. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You are from which place?
So I'm from Asansol, West Bengal.
Asansol, West Bengal. Good. Which
Yes.
date is your interview?
9th of November.
अरे भाई इतनी जल्दी?
Yes, sir.
अरे बाबा अपनी की पढ़ाई
Uh, sir, I
अपना
have read
अपना डिग्री किए लो
BTech. I've done BTech from Electronics and Communication Engineering.
ECE. Which year did you study?
So I have completed on 2019.
Good. What is the CGPA?
So I've got 82.20%.
Good. Was there not any campus recruitment?
Yes, sir, it was there, but I always I always wanted to go for government sector, so I didn't join.
So that means you have been trying for some government jobs in other in your own field also.
So since I am an electronics and communication engineer, so I have very little scope to explore in government sector in this area. So
I think you can join. You can join only DRDO.
Yes, sir.
Defense Research Development Organization. Maybe
Yes.
some other organizations where, of course, public sector, very little
Yes,
chance.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So since when you started preparing for bank?
So since after my graduation.
Acha. What is your father?
My father name is Sunil Kumar Prasad. He works in CLW, Chittaranjan Locomotives work.
Acha. What are they doing?
So he's technician over there, and he manages the work of all the technicians. He is the senior technician, and he manages the work of all the technicians of building the locomotives of the train.
Acha, 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 acha. Oh, he is also an engineer.
No, sir, he is not an engineer.
Okay.
He
What
has
is your
done
mother?
LLB.
What is your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have a younger brother.
What is he doing?
He is currently pursuing electronics and communication engineering from Haldia University of West Bengal.
Good. Asansol is famous for what?
So Asansol is famous for many things. Like it is famous for the Maharatna SAIL, that is Steel Authority of India Limited. It is one of the largest steel producing company of India. In Asansol has the eighth busiest railway station. It has approximately 171 trains running per day. And Asansol,
Yeah.
and India's first restaurant on wheels has been built in Asansol station.
Restaurant on
Wheels.
wheels. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Then I think normally people do tell about coal, na?
Yes, sir. It is also famous for coal.
I thought you will be telling about that. You didn't tell me. Good. What is the name of the Grameen Bank in West Bengal?
So there are three Grameen banks in West Bengal: Paschim Banga Grameen Bank and Bangia Grameen Bank. And so sorry, I didn't remember the third name.
1 minute. Let me check it up. ibps.in. RRBs. RRBs. Advertisement. 1 minute. Totally, there are 43 RRBs.
Yes, sir.
In
all over
India.
Yes,
and out of that, name of 3 RRBs.
Yes, so Paschim Banga Grameen Bank, and then Bangia Grameen Bank, and then Uttar Banga Kshetriya Grameen Bank are the three.
Say very good. Not only that, you must know which is the sponsoring bank and
Yes, sir.
those details you must know. Please study about that.
Okay, sir.
अभी नहीं होने से भी आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
Okay, sir.
अभी हम जनरल क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे.
Yes, sir.
आप बताइए आरआरबी का काम क्या है?
So RRB stands for Regional Rural Boards,
Hmm.
and it has been established in 1975,
Hmm.
and it looks after the regional areas and its policies, the schemes which have to be implemented in the regional areas for financial inclusion.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you think will be the job role you have to perform?
So I have, if I'll get this job, I have to open the account, and I have to be a good I have to apply my communication skills to invite the people to open their account, and I would love to be a part of the financial inclusion.
Good. Now you can also tell some more things like, say, I will welcome the people warmly, try to help them in opening the account, listen to them properly. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll provide the good
I will
customer service.
And I will also do the good customer service and also help them
Yes.
in remittances, say also in disbursal of advances and in recovery.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
That's good. And now can you explain about financial inclusion?
Yes, sir. So financial inclusion is a process in which the government provide banking services to the undeveloped and the person who don't get the facility of banks.
Good. Now, can you tell me something about agriculture and agriculture allied sectors?
So the agriculture in India is the NABARD, that is National Agriculture Rural Development Board, is the apex body for agriculture in India. It controls all the schemes what has to be implemented for the enhancement of the agriculture sector of India.
What is allied sector? Agriculture and allied industries. The contribution of agri and allied sectors, namely livestock, including dairy, sheep, goat, poultry, and piggery. Then fisheries, marine, inland, and aqua farming. Then horticulture, including fruits, vegetables, flowers, spices, aromatic and medicinal plants. And sericulture sector has been significant and growing over the years. See, allied sector में क्या क्या आएगा? Dairy, sheep, goat, poultry, piggery, fisheries, horticulture, then sericulture. ये सब इसमें आएगा.
Okay, sir.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the names of schemes, some of them famous, which government implements for encouraging agriculture?
So Pradhan Mantri Kisan Awas Vikas Yojana. And Mudra Yojana, Mudra scheme has been launched. So I could not remember.
But my question was about agriculture. You are telling Mudra is for MSME.
Yes,
could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Here you can search government schemes for agriculture. If you put like this, you will get a lot of things. What are the government schemes for agriculture? Like Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana,
Yes, sir.
National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture,
Yes, sir.
Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, Gramin Bandaran Yojana, Livestock Insurance Scheme. Likewise, so many schemes are there. आप अपना गूगल में जाइए, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स फॉर एग्रीकल्चर सर्च कर दीजिए, इसमें बहुत क्वेश्चंस आता है, उसमें से आपको मिल जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
प्रधान मंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना will give a boost to productivity by ensuring irrigation facilities. Sinchai Yojana is for irrigation. The vision is
Yes,
to
sir.
ensure access to some means of protective irrigation to all agricultural farms. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana has been launched to motivate group of farmers to take up organic farming.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
ये सब थोड़ा पढ़ना है जी. आप गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स फॉर एग्रीकल्चर सर्च कर दीजिए, आपको ये सब
Okay, sir.
क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, जिसका अंदर में व्हाट इज द न्यू एग्रीकल्चरल बिल, इसका बारे में जानते हैं?
Yes, sir.
See, on September 27, President gave his assent for 3 farm bills: Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce, Farmers Agreement of Price Assurance, and Farm Services Bill. Like that, they have given. So, what are the intervention in agriculture? Government have employed various measures to maintain farm prices and incomes above what the market would otherwise have yielded. They have included tariffs and import levies, import quotas, export subsidies, direct payments to farmers. ये सब पढ़ना होगा जी आप.
Okay, sir. So I'll go through.
Yeah, just search in Google like this, you will get lot of ideas. Then most important thing among that is PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. That's very simple. Oh, acha. You come with video, yeah. PM,
Yes, sir.
oh, now only I'm seeing you. Pehle to you were coming with voice only. Yeah, PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Don't know.
Sir,
You don't
sir,
remember.
Yes, sir. I didn't remember.
Are you before computer? No. No.
Yes,
You
sir.
are
I'm
before
a
laptop.
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 Oh, yes, sir.
Please search in Google. Please search. No, let it be advantage for you. Please search
Yes.
government
Yes, sir.
schemes for agriculture. Google.com.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Government schemes for agriculture. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. It's okay. Yes, sir. ENAM,
हाँ,
National Mission from.
ये सबको थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए बाद में. अभी नहीं. आप पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay.
Likewise, only you must try to know. Some more questions
Yes.
they have been asking in interviews is that what are the types of crops in India? कुछ बोल सकते
So
हैं?
there.
आपको कुछ
Yes, sir.
आइडिया है? बताइए.
Yes. So there are 3 types of crops in India: the Rabi crops, the Kharif crops, and the Zaid crops.
What?
The
Rabi, Kharif, दूसरा वाला क्या है?
Zaid, ZAID.
Oh, Zaid. Yeah. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Then, what can you tell something about this?
Sir, Kharif crops grow in monsoon season, and that is between June and July. And Rabi crops grow in winter season, and the Zaid crops grows in after winter season.
Tell me the names of crops.
So
Like,
Kharif crops,
I know,
like cereals.
Achha, 1 minute. Let me make a search whether it can help us. Not that you don't know, but I am not very familiar because I have not done much of literature. What are Kharif crops? Rice, maize and cotton or some of the kharif crops in India. Vegetables, bitter gourd, karela,
Bitter gourd.
then bottle gourd, brinjal, chili,
Yes, sir.
green bean, okra, sponge gourd, tinda. All these are coming under kharif crops.
Kharif
If
crop.
you just search kharif crops, you are getting so many
Yes, sir.
questions. What are 5 kharif crops? Rice, maize, millet, ragi, pulses, soya bean, groundnut. What is the difference between rabi and kharif crops? What is the? There is a link I am giving you in our Telegram group. It will be useful for others also. Okay. I am giving you now. If you can take that link, please see. It is some Biju's link.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Examples of kharif crops. Then
Yes, sir.
examples of rabi crops: wheat, barley, oats, pulses, mustard, linseed. Then
Linseed.
difference between rabi
Yes,
and crop. Bijus.com.
Yes, sir.
खरीफ क्रॉप
Sir.
रबी क्रॉप थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. अभी इतना
Okay,
डिटेल
sir.
पढ़ने का हम लोग का समय नहीं मिलेगा. आप पढ़ लीजिए. ठीक है? I don't
Okay,
know.
sir. Okay, sir.
You are in no way connected with agriculture, but still they do ask. They think if a girl or boy comes to what RRB, he must know about agriculture.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me only about one card, Kisan Credit Card. उसका बारे में बताइए. Not studied. Not
So
studied.
yes, I have studied. I have studied. So it has been established in 2015. And, so it is basically done to give loans to the farmers for different agriculture processes like pre-harvest, post-harvest, and the expenses what they use in the agriculture, like buying trucks and buying the different equipments.
Correct. How the what is the modus operandi by which KCC is issued? Kisan Credit Card is issued to farmers based on the land holding they have, acres.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Based on the
based
acres.
on what is it they are going to put on crops, what is the crop they are going to sow, and also depending on the scale of finance.
Scale of finance, yes, sir.
Depending on that, if you have 4 acres land, if you are putting paddy and scale of finance is so much per acre, based on that, you will be given the limit.
Limit.
You can
Yes, sir.
use that limit and buy manure, seeds, fertilizers, and also say for use it for labor, grow paddy, then afterwards do harvest, then sell the paddy and pay the money to the bank.
Yes, sir.
And once you pay the money properly to the bank, government gives some 3% interest subsidy. Total 7%, out of person 3, if it goes, they will pay only 4%. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
if the account is maintained properly, under KCC, the party can draw the money next year also.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, please. Good afternoon. Yes, please. I am in the midst of a meeting. Can you call me after about, say, around 2:15 or so? What do you want? Interview? Which date is your interview? 17th. ठीक है, time high, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, your interview is on which date you told?
9th. 9th November.
so quickly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now I was telling you about Kisan credit card. So if the account has been operated properly, he will be getting again, he can use the limit again. That is why it is known as credit card. If you ask your daddy, he will tell you what is a debit card, what is a credit card. Can you tell me what
Yes,
it is? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Debit.
So credit card is prepaid, postpaid, and a debit card is like prepaid. A credit.
Very simply you told. But I used to struggle to tell about this debit card. Okay, fine. You have covered what you wanted to say. I'm happy. Tell me. You have told in very simple term like a cell phone, prepaid, postpaid. ऐसा भी बोल दिया. Correct. It's only correct only. बताइए. But लेकिन ये भी बात बताना है. डेबिट कार्ड में पहले हम लोग पैसा जमा दे के बाद में उधर से विड्रॉ करते हैं. We can use it for taking cash. We can use it for buying articles and say through online like that.
Yes, sir.
Whereas
Yes,
credit
sir.
card में क्या होता है, हम लोग का एक लिमिट देते हैं. वो लिमिट का अंदर में हम लोग खरीदना है और लेना
Yes,
है.
sir.
वो बिल भेजेगा. वो बिल का टाइम का अंदर में हम लोग पैसा जमा दे. बस.
Yes, sir.
And if
Yes,
we
sir.
don't pay, we have to pay charges.
Yes, sir.
So this is what you told correctly. Under Kisan credit card also, if he is repaying properly, he can get back the money in the next year. It is valid for a period of 5 years. So
Yes,
you must know about this Kisan credit. आप note करते हैं?
Yes, I am noting it down.
किसान credit card का बारे में आप पढ़ना होगा.
Yes, sir.
Then next question, I don't know whether they will ask this. What is the type of irrigation methods used in India? Please make a search.
Yes, so I have done that. There are many types of irrigation method, like sprinkling method, low.
Correct. Sprinklers, correct.
Yes, sir, and there are some methods which don't use the pump. I don't remember the name, but like pump of low volt and then pump of high volt. It has been characterized in different categories.
And more especially, आपका देश में क्या चलता है? आपका वेस्ट बंगाल में क्या चलता है? इधर टाइप्स ऑफ इरिगेशन डालने से तो सरफेस इरिगेशन. सरफेस इरिगेशन इज द ओल्डेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ इरिगेशन. दैट इज पानी आता है सरफेस में चला जाते. नेक्स्ट वन माइक्रो इरिगेशन, ड्रिप इरिगेशन, स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन, सेंटर पिवट इरिगेशन, lawn sprinkler systems like that. Here, what are the 4 types of irrigation? Sprinkler irrigation, surface irrigation, drip irrigation, sub irrigation, and manual irrigation.
Yes.
Okay, इसका बारे में आप पढ़ना है. Please search in Google types of irrigation.
Okay, sir.
You have to read and understand. You told about, did you tell about types of crops? What are the crops grown in India?
So three types.
Kharif, Rabi,
Kharif, Rabi
that
and
we
Rabi.
discussed. That we have discussed.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, what are the types of soils in India?
So there are 7. So there are different types of soils in India, like alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, and lignite.
Correct. Apne bola correct. 7 soils. There are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil,
and mountainous.
and forest and mountainous.
Forest and mountainous.
Marsh soil.
Yes. Sir.
Marsh. Okay. If you search types of soils in India, आपको इतना question मिलता है. What are 8 types of soil? How many types of soils are classified in India? Which type of soil is found in each state? What are the major soils in India? Discuss. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Prepare कर दीजिए. KCC हम लोग पढ़ लिया. Agriculture Social Welfare Scheme भी देख लिया. What are the strengths and weaknesses of you? बताइए.
So So first I'll come to my strength. So I have throughout my school life, I have always been active in co-curricular activities, and due to this, I was fortunate enough to be called as to be the winner of among 35 winners of Padma Quiz 2019, and due to which I have been called in Rashtrapati Bhavan and was honored to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir and President Ramnath Kovind sir and the then Home Minister Rajnath Singh sir and different Padma Quiz awardees of 2019.
Good.
And so coming to my thank
Very
you, sir.
happy. Yeah.
So coming to my weakness, that I don't have any job at this moment and I don't have any experience.
No. Just because job is not there, is it making you feel bad? Don't feel bad. You are very young.
Yes.
You passed out in 19 only.
Yes, sir.
आजकल तो कम से कम 3-4 years लगता है to get into a job. इसके लिए आप
Yes, sir.
चिंता मत करो. आप अपना तरफ से अच्छा से पढ़ो. जो कुछ नया चीज आ रहे हैं उसको पढ़ो. नया चीज इस फील्ड का अंदर में अभी तो अब नहीं जानते थे. इरिगेशन का बारे में भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, सॉइल भी
Yes, sir.
पूछेगा, इसलिए पढ़ लो जी. हो सकता है आपको कुछ भी नहीं पूछेगा, खाली डिपॉजिट एडवांस ऐसा पूछेगा. हम तो पहला वीडियो में तो ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर बारे में पूछते थे. आपने सुना होगा, देखा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But like that. Now tell me priority sectors.
So there are 8 priority sectors in India, like agriculture, MSMEs, horticulture.
No. Horticulture comes under agriculture.
Agriculture, MSME, in entrepreneur. No.
MSME, correct. बोल दिया आपने. You are forgetting housing.
Yes, sir.
Housing, education, export and infrastructure, then renewable energy, then startups. Why are you? I think you have some fear in talking to me.
No.
हो सकता है, because first time we are meeting, maybe on
Yes, sir.
account of it happens. But in a real interview, it will not be there because it will be in an open room where there may be 3 or 4 people and you will go in. Are you a confident girl?
Yes, sir.
Then what? But abhi, like, I know, because when you are meeting people for the first time, a fear to hoga, but udhar nahi hona chahiye. You are going to be, it will not be, I don't know whether they record it, pata nahi. And it will be in an open room only with 4 people, 5 people. So you can go with confidence, with all the materials on hand. You'll go and sit straight like this, look at them, smile at them, and talk to them. Okay,
Okay, sir.
please smile.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
good. You must smile. It has to come from within yourself. It should not be out of compulsion. लेकिन हमको ये समझ रहे हैं, सर फियर होने से कैसे स्माइल आएगा? नहीं आएगा. हाँ, but this way at least you must smile. I know you are smiling. What is this? Like that. Even then it is okay. Please enjoy.
Yes, sir.
No, it's a smiling face is given 1 mark more than a non-smiling face. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Bilkul. Is it not true that you like to talk to people who show interest in you, who talk to you willingly, rather than
Yes.
you're talking to somebody who is not willing? Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
आपका मम्मी क्या करते हैं?
So she is housewife.
And how many siblings you said? One is studying what?
Electronics and Communication Engineering from Haldia University of West Bengal.
Same like you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason that you took up this? Easy.
So because I like the subject and so I had interest in the subject. That's why.
और ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, हमने सोचा उस समय पर ज्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएगा, अच्छा नौकरी मिलेगा, ऐसा सोच के तो लिए, लेकिन बाद में हो गया अभी कम जॉब मिल रहा है और जॉब मिलने से भी उसको सिक्योरिटी नहीं है. इसी वजह से हम लोग बैंक पे आना पड़ता है. और बैंक में आने से तो हमको जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन अच्छा मिलेगा, क्योंकि बैंक का जॉब को लोग अच्छा प्रेस्टीज में रखते हैं और सब रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं. इसका अलावा से there is good career growth in banks also.
Banks.
I would like
Yes,
to
sir.
join banks accordingly. You have to tell like that, but you should not tell just because sir told. You have to enjoy that and speak out. You would have seen it
Yes,
in
sir.
many of my videos. I would
Hmm.
have told this in many of my videos. Very good.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you have some questions?
Yes, sir. So, what if I don't know any answer? So, like जब मुझे आंसर पता नहीं रहेगा तो फिर उस टाइम क्लियरली ऐसे ना बोल देना या फिर मतलब थोड़ा टाइम लेके याद
100,
करना.
no. 100%. Supposing I asking you what is the capital of Andaman. If you don't know, you have to can say sorry, sir. I don't. सब
अच्छा.
मालूम होना तो मुश्किल है दुनिया में.
Yes, sir.
It is not possible. It is impossible to know. And उसी वजह से you should not feel bad about it, feel sick about it. अरे हमने 2 आंसर नहीं दिया इसलिए हमको चांस चला जाएगा, ऐसा तो नहीं है. There are many
Hmm.
boys, girls who have not answered 5 questions, got selected. South Indian Bank, Federal Bank, IDBI result आया नहीं. Likewise. So don't have any fear. The way you walk in, the way you look at them, the way you smile at them, that
Yes,
is what
sir.
is. You see, I'm an old man. Even I can't look at you and smile. That's why I'm looking at my picture and smiling. That is human
Yes,
nature.
sir.
Okay, you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Don't worry.
Hmm.
Absolutely no problem. As you enter, you wish them good morning, good afternoon, and go. And if there is a lady also, good morning, madam, you say. So
Okay, sir.
you are.
Sir,
What is your hobby?
so hobby, so casual dancing and so
Mm.
like I used to listen, I listen songs and I like watching TVs and entertainment shows like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
What is that? What is that? Para?
Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So it's a very famous serial, entertainment serial.
Where it comes?
So
Which
Sony sub.
Sony's. Bharat, I
Yes,
have
sir.
not seen that. Very good, very good. Then what else? No,
So
you
like
are told to dance. We can't ask you to dance. If you are told cooking, I would have asked you what is the cooking you can make and all that. Cooking में interest नहीं है.
सर आती है
Okay.
मतलब इंटरेस्ट ऐसा नहीं है बट हाँ आई नो.
Do you help your mummy at every day? No.
नो नॉट एवरी. यस सर. रात में लाइक वो आटा सानना एंड रोटी बनाना. यस आई डू.
Good. Please help her
चपाती
more.
मेकिंग.
Please
यस
help
सर.
her more. Help her in the maintenance of table, serving and all that. That will do. Please do help her. Because
यस
one,
सर.
you will, of course, allot time for that, half an hour for that. Just as you are allotting 4 hours, 5 hours for studying, you allot time. But do not ever feel bad. You are not being employed. You are not
यस सर.
responsible. You are not
Yes, sir.
responsible. You are trying your best and apply for all bank exams like IBPS,
यस सर.
etc. Try your best. आपको success आना चाहिए. You are in Asansol. Asansol, I have come up to Kolkata, then Siliguri, Jalpaiguri. I don't know, where is Asansol?
सर चितरंजन से यू.
No, from Kolkata कितना दूर है?
सर कोलकाता से 3 hours.
Oh,
3 hours दूर है.
200
बर्नपुर.
kilometers. 200
Yes,
kilometers.
sir.
Oh,
Yes, approximately. Towards Bardwan side.
have you visited Kolkata?
Yes, sir.
What are the places you have seen in Kolkata?
So, मतलब ऐसे घूमने पर्पस के लिए I have never visited, but yes, my exams like I have given RRB PO.
That's all. Oh, so you are not gone for sightseeing and all.
No, sir, not yet.
No problem. Doesn't matter. Maybe you can do it afterwards. So what was the question I was about to ask you? Who is the finance minister of West Bengal? See, silly, these questions are also needed. So Asansol ka district ka collector कौन है? Somebody in district judge कौन है? ये तो there is a website asansol.nic.in. आप सर्च करने से मिल जाएगा. Let me
Okay,
see.
sir.
हाँ मिल जाएगा. आप कर find out कर दीजिए.
Sir, okay,
So
sir.
you
I will
must
do.
know about Asansol also. Asansol का पास में क्या क्या irrigation agriculture चलता है इसका बारे में भी जान लो. कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरह है उसका बारे में भी जान लो. आसनसोल से आने वाला आया हुआ बड़ा आदमी कौन है, बड़ा
Yes, sir.
लेडी कौन है, इसका बारे में जानना है.
Okay.
Please prepare on these lines.
Okay,
Ask
sir.
your mummy daddy, they will tell you.
Hmm.
Good. Best wishes.
Sir,
I would have given you 9 marks, but because of your anxious face, I am giving 8.5 out of 10. हाँ क्यों इतना anxious है? हम खा जाएगा आपको? नहीं.
no,
हाँ.
no, sir. सर एक और क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah.
सर बिकॉज जैसे इंटरव्यू देने जाऊंगी तो वेस्ट बंगाल में ही है, तो अगर वो लोग बंगाली में पूछते हैं तो मुझे बंगाली मतलब आई एम नॉट सो मच कंफर्टेबल इन बंगाली. यस आई कैन
Mother tongue
स्पीक
is
बट
Bengali.
नो सर हिंदी. तो वो
अच्छा, you
कोई
are basically 1 minute. Oh, you are from some Rajasthan or some other place.
नो सर आई एम फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल ओनली, बट आई डोंट नो बंगाली. माय मदर टंग इज हिंदी.
लिखना नहीं जानते?
सर लिखना मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा जानती हूँ बस.
तब तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा because they expect you because you have applied for within West Bengal.
यस सर. सर एक्चुअली मतलब जब
ये
सर
अंग्रेजी, this interview अंग्रेजी,
हाँ.
English, but they expect you to know the local language. You should have applied in an area where Hindi is the language. For example, you are more
They
fit
are-
for joining in Bihar, where UP, Rajasthan, where Hindi is the language. समझ गए आपको?
सर तो वो इंटरव्यू में भी बंगाली मतलब वो लोग पूछेंगे या
पूछ सकते हैं कभी कभी, कभी कभी.
सर सर
Oh,
ऐसे
that
थोड़ा
is why
थोड़ा
you are
बंगाली.
not responding when I was talking in Bengali. ওহো, আমি একটু একটু বাংলা কথা বলতে পারি, জানি আপনার বুঝতে পারছেন? আপনি বুঝতে পারবেন না? Can you follow? No, that is the reason. Yeah, I think freeze
सर
होती.
यस सर আমি বাংলা
हाँ.
ও यस सर हो सुना ओके.
हाँ. আপনি বাংলা জানি?
স্যার আমি জানি বাট একটু একটু.
আপনি কথা বলতে পারেন? কারণ আপনি ম্যানেজার ছিল একটা ব্রাঞ্চে, কেমন ব্রাঞ্চ স্টাফকে অ্যাড্রেস করবেন? Imagine I am your staff member sitting here, then talk to me in Bengali.
सर
No,
इतना
don't worry.
बंगाली
They will not force you like this. They will not force you like this. But they will ask you, how are you going to pass the language proficiency test?
सर उसके लिए तो टाइम मिलेगा, तो उस टाइम मतलब मैं कर लूंगी क्योंकि मुझे जैसे लिखने आता है क ख ग घ. आई नो हाउ टू राइट इट एंड आई नो मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो बंगाली बोलने भी आता है क्योंकि नेबर से बंगाली में तो बात होता है. बट हाँ वो इतना फ्लुएंट नहीं है कि आई कैन गिव इंटरव्यू इन बंगाली. तो मेन ये यहाँ
আমি
पे था.
আমি হিন্দি में इंटरव्यू देब. If I know, I will tell. Otherwise, I will use English word.
यस सर.
Like that, you also use. No problem.
ओके.
How will you address Bengali candidates? Means, নমস্কার, ভালো আছেন তো? আমার এখানে assemble হয়েছিল to discuss about NPA recovery. এরকম বলতে হবে বাস, আর কি? I don't know what I am speaking is right, but I will.
यस यू आर राइट.
So that way, enjoy. You are. I would have given you 9 if you had showed happy face, confident face. See, happy face is not for attracting people and all. It is to tell them that you are a confident person.
Confident.
अरे
Yes,
भाई,
sir.
बैंक का अंदर में जो आदमी का पास में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, उसको रख के क्या करेगा?
Hmm.
बट लेकिन आपको तो कॉन्फिडेंस होगा, क्योंकि यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड फैमिली and you have a good study also, so you have that backing. But probably because you don't have much exposure,
Yes, sir.
that is the reason, and automatically you will develop skills. Best wishes. But आगे
Thank you, sir.
कभी RRB आने से तो मेरा सजेशन है आपको हिंदी एरिया में अप्लाई कर. But
Okay,
only
sir.
problem is you have to go to that place and work. Are you very keen? You must be in West Bengal.
No, sir, not like that, sir. Because I, since 2013, I have been outside from West Bengal, sir. Like, I've done my 11th, 12th from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and then I have done my engineering from West Bengal only itself. But yes, sir, I have gone to Visakhapatnam and I stayed there.
Why did you go to Visakhapatnam? Was it a good school?
Yes,
Somebody
sir.
told. Huh?
Yes, sir. Sri
अरे बाबा,
Chaitanya Techno School.
you would have struggled hard for food.
यस सर, बट जब वहां पे रहते थे तो लगता था कि फूड बहुत खराब है, बट अब यहाँ आने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो बहुत अच्छा था. मतलब वो एटमॉस्फेयर वो बहुत अच्छा
That-
लगता था.
That's because that age you won't get now. You were 16,
यस सर.
17. इतना happy. अभी तो थोड़ा कम हो गया होगा. 8 साल ज्यादा हो गया ना. हाँ,
यस सर.
that is it. Don't worry. I wish you should succeed. After interview, send me the list of questions
ओके सर, डेफिनेटली.
through our Telegram. You are member of Telegram?
यस सर.
Sivan2020. Another group is also there. Mock Test 2021.
वेट सर, मॉक
MOCK.
टेस्ट 2021.
हाँ, उसमें
Okay.
जाइए, पीछे में जाइए, बहुत कुछ पॉइंट्स डाला हुआ है, वो सब आप पढ़
Okay.
सकते हैं. बेस्ट
ठीक है
विशेस.
सर.
गॉड ब्लेस
थैंक
यू.
यू सर.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो
बाय
मच सर.
बाय.
बाय सर.